Taste like restaurant, homemade comfort. Let's make this delicious chicken curry together.
Take 1 kg chicken, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. I have taken 3 tablespoons of Everest chicken masala, 1 teaspoon garam masala and 1 tablespoon dried fenugreek leaves. It's time to marinate the chicken with all the spices. Clean and wash the chicken and add 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, coriander powder, chicken masala, garam masala, dried fenugreek leaves, 2/3 cup of yogurt, that's 170 grams. Marinate the chicken well. Then add 1 teaspoon salt, lemon juice, 3 tablespoon oil, and mix it well. Now that our chicken is marinated, cover and refrigerate overnight. Starting off with marinated chicken, 8 sliced onions 560 grams, 2 chopped tomatoes 170 grams, break 5 green chillies into pieces, 1 cup coriander leaves 30 grams, 15 garlic cloves 35 grams, 3 inches chopped ginger 20 grams and 20 mint leaves.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now take a mixer and add garlic, ginger, green chilies, mint leaves. Now give it a rough grind. Now we'll add coriander leaves and 1/4 cup of water. Now grind it into fine paste and keep the ground paste aside. Now take a pot and add 5 tablespoon oil, onion and saute them for 15 minutes on medium to low flame. Tomatoes and mix it well. Now we'll cover and cook for 15 minutes on low flame and stir occasionally. Add ground paste and let it cook on low flame for 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Now we'll add the marinated chicken and mix it well. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Give it a stir. And add 1 liter water. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on medium-high flame. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 2 chicken Maggi cubes. Mix it well. Now cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Give it a mix. And our dhaba style chicken curry is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!